So this platform is a replacement or is a sister to Bet88u. As you can see, it says welcome back. During your absence from the event, 1,789 individuals successfully withdraw 1,500, and I have earned one chance for the lucky spin. So let me click on continue. So I will get my lucky spin, and I will take you through the step-by-step ways in which you can come to this platform. You just have to register on this platform. When you register on this platform, you just have to spin and you'll be able to withdraw 1,500. So this is the spin I have. So let me just click on my spin and allow it to load. I just pray I don't hit on. Okay, it's loading. So what do you have? I have coin. So let's see, what does that mean? Okay, so it's congrats on your good luck. I'm supposed to hit 1,500, so let me spin again. So let me spin. I'm still having stuffs like this. So now this platform is a replacement of Bet88u, and as you can see how many people have been withdrawing money on this platform. You can see here 1,500, and this platform also have their rules. As you can see, if you click on we rules, you can start a withdrawal when the accumulated amount reaches 1,500. When you invite your friend to register on this platform, you get one more chance to spin. Each user will receive a single free spin per day. Each user has a validity period of 3 days for each activity and can participate in the activity multiple times. If you get an extra cash bonus, will be credited to your wallet balance instantly. These are lucky numbers, and each time you send a random phone number invitation, they can bring more earning bonus if they register. So this platform, just like Bet88u, it's just that you just have to register and you spin and you make money. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step ways in which you can register on this platform and you can get it. So just check the description. I dropped in the link in the description of this video. Click directly from the link in the description and you'll be taken to this interface. My name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. On my channel, we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And you can see here, this is the interface of this platform. You can see home, invite, deposit, and profile. So let me just click on profile because I'm going to show you how you can go about it. But please, I will implore you, please don't deposit money on this platform. Please don't deposit money on this platform. That is just it. Don't give anybody your money on this platform that wants so that you can play coupon or get paid. But just make sure you are on your daily spin on this platform. That is the best advice I can give to anyone on this platform. So now, to sign up on this platform, you need your mobile phone number. You can use a mobile phone number, but for easy logins or easy sign up on this platform, I will advise you to continue with your Google account. Yes, use your Google account. So click on continue with Google and you allow it to open. It's better than continuing with your phone number because it's going to take you a lot of time and you might never receive the OTP that was supposed to be sent to the phone number that you use. But if you click on use Google, using Google is going to be very fast. What you just have to do is to click on your Google account and the platform will be very easy for you to sign up. So what I just have to do is to click on the Google account I want to use on this platform and allow it to load. So that you just see it. I will allow it to open. Check out this platform. Click on the link in the description. Check out this platform. You might be a very lucky winner. A lot of people have been withdrawing money from this platform. And also, when unlike Bet88u, that some of you will refer your friends and it will not count. This platform, the moment you refer your friends, it counts and it will be very easy for you to withdraw your money. So you click on continue. And you allow it to open. It says 1 moment please. So just allow it to open and you'll be taken to your user dashboard where you'll be required to spin and you make money. So it's loading. You already signed up now on the platform, as you can see here. So this is me already signed up on the platform with my new email. So as you can see spin. You can see it says spin with and win a 1,500 naira cash reward. Just click on spin and you allow it to open. So these are the spin and people that are winning. So what you just have to do is to click on the center. As you can see, I have a 00 naira. You just have to click on the center and you allow your wheel to turn, and you see how much you will be able to win on this platform. Now on this platform, if you need more spin, probably you didn't hit your target and you need more spin, just make sure you try to refer your friends. And one thing about this platform is that it counts. All your referrals will count and they will reflect and they will be giving you free spin every day. You come to this platform, you'll be given the opportunity of a free spin also. So that is just how it is. This platform, I'll drop the link in the description. Go and check it out. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.